Hi there, how are you doing? Team Nokia Power User here, and we welcome you all to very interesting video. As you can see, we have the latest Nokia 6 in our hands. So this latest Nokia 6 is only known as new Nokia 6 officially, but on the box it's labeled as Nokia 6.1, a name with which it got certified in many certifications. Then we also call it Nokia 6 2018 because it is the 2018 version of Nokia 6. On this box, on this retail box, which really looks nice, you will notice Android 1 moniker. So this is Google's way to tell you that if a device is Android 1, it will get guaranteed 3 years of monthly security updates as well as 2 years of confirmed OS updates. So minimum 2 major OS updates are confirmed for Nokia 6.12. So as you see, the retail box is really nice looking. So usually Nokia 6, 7, etc. they come with really attractive retail boxes. So on the back side of this retail box, you will see some major specs. So precision machine, aluminum unibody, then 630 Snapdragon 630 processor. Then it has 5.5-inch 1080p resolution display. On the rear side, it has 16 megapixel ZIS optics camera. So that is something new, and it should be interesting to check how it brings any difference in the camera quality, imaging quality. Then you have others like dual sight mode or bothi. So that is one interesting addition to good features of Nokia 6.1. So now, after the retail box, it is time to unbox and see what is there in the box, and as we have promised, we will also share our first impressions. So let's quickly unbox it. So here is your first look at the unboxed Nokia 6. As Nokia 6 comes without any removable battery, so the battery will be inside. And let us quickly check what else is there. So you have this tray remover kind of tool for inserting SIM and micro SD card. Then you have this booklet. Apart from the booklet and other stuff, so you have the standard headphone, USB charger, which works as a USB charger as well as the connector to the PCs. So this is how it looks like after getting unboxed, the whole package. Okay, so now after the unboxing, okay, let's quickly take a nice look on this. So now after the unboxing, time to have a detailed look on the device and then set up it to check our first impression, just share it with you. So the Nokia 6 that we have got is black in color, and our first impression when we hold it in our hand, it tells us that it is as robust as the original Nokia 6 or Nokia 6 2017. So Nokia 6 2017 was labeled as a tank, built as a tank, and it was widely appreciated for its build quality, robustness. Many YouTubers who did lots of torture tests on Nokia 6, they declared it to be the best built, most robust device of the 2017. So obviously Nokia 6.1 or Nokia 6 2018 has a very big shoes to fill in, because its predecessor has been really widely appreciated for its build quality and robustness. So as we told you, when we have held it in our hand, the first impression tells us that it is equally robust, if not more, than the original Nokia 6 2017. So let us quickly see. So If you go to the back, you will see that the camera module had changed. This camera module is more like the camera module on Nokia 5. Let's zoom in a bit. But it's a 16 megapixel camera module, and you can see the ZIS branding here and the Nokia branding, and obviously the fingerprint sensor has moved to the back. And you can again notice the Android One moniker here on the back. Now if you go to the side, you can see the volume rocker and the power button. If you check at the bottom, then you can notice the USB connector and the speakers. Then I think this is a mic. And when you come to the front, you see this front camera. So this is how Nokia 6 looks like. When you check from the front, when you check from the back, this is the side profile, this is another side profile, this is from the bottom, and this is top. Yes, I just missed this. So on top it has got this 3.5 mm headphone jack, something which has now become rare on devices, on smartphones like mid-range and high-end smartphones. So I'll tell you that this is a feature on Nokia 6. Anyways, now let's power it on. Okay, this is the first time that this Nokia 6 gets powered on. We'll go quickly take you through the setup, and obviously we'll share our impressions. So we have already shared our impression about the build quality, which looks really nice. Okay, one thing which I would like to highlight till the time it gets set up. So you can notice this. So there's dual color. So it's like on the edges of this camera module, it has a kind of slightly golden kind of color, and in the same on the edges of here, I mean side, you can see again that accent, the golden kind of like golden accent. So this is something which is different or new as compared to the original Nokia 6 2017. This gives it a nice different kind of feel, nice different kind of design. The another thing is that there is no home button here at the bottom, and the fingerprint sensor has moved to the back. Okay, so now we are here for the first setup of Nokia 6 2018. We'll connect to a network quickly. And it is already connected to the internet now. So this is all set. So we have skipped most of the things so that we can quickly go to the home screen. And we are at the home screen now. And now you can notice actually how it is different from Nokia 6 2017. So it provides you more space, more display space as compared to the bezels have become less. So there is no home button here. There is no home button, there is no back button. So now the buttons are here, the software on-screen touch buttons. So this is how it has become different from the original Nokia 6. But if you talk about the build quality and the freemium feel, it is as good as the original Nokia 6. So there is no difference in terms of that feel. It just feels like, again, I mean, built like a tank. So HMD also highlighted this, that it is still built from one piece of aluminium, and they claim that the aluminum that has been used in Nokia 6 2018 is even stronger than what was there in Nokia 6 2017. So it's robust, again built like a tank. Okay, and the great news, so many people have asked us, so we just tried, and it seems double tap to wake up works on Nokia 6 2018. So that is good news. And it comes running, I think, Android 8.1. Oh, it's Android 8.0. So probably it will get Android 8.1 very, very soon. So for now you can quickly see how it looks like, how it feels in terms of general tasks. And as you can notice, it is quite fluid. So it was, I mean, even the Nokia 6 2017 was quite fluid in terms of you know, general tasks, or even in terms of using it for like browsing, even for gaming with 3 GB RAM. This variant has 3 GB RAM, and as we have kind of reported, the 4 GB RAM is coming soon. But if we will do our hands-on review with 3 GB RAM, and if it works well, then you can be sure that the 4 GB RAM will be slightly better. The 4 GB RAM one will be slightly better. So let's quickly check if there is anything. Okay, so there is no update as of now, but if you ask about the first impression, the first impressions are really, really positive, because the design is superb. Again, I mean, if you look at the device from the front, it obviously looks more modern as compared to the original Nokia 6 2017, but it is equally robust, equally good, or even slightly better in build quality as compared to Nokia 6 2017. The design, the accentuation with these colors, you know, dual color kind of feeling, I mean, on the edges, and when you go back around the edges of this camera module and this fingerprint sensor, they give it a different kind of feel, you know, some modern feel. And then double tap to wake up, which was quite a feature which went missing from many of the devices. It's back with it, and we really, really like it. Okay.